minus 2 minutes.
You are watching.
This is what you came here for.
We are Pioneer TV.
Whenever you're ready. Okay. Tell me your name and occupation.
My name is Hernsey Alonso, and I don't have an occupation.
Okay.
Oh, I'm a student.
What institute are you in, and do you like the classes that you have?
I'm in leadership, and yeah, I like the classes that I have.
Yep.
Yeah.
Since you're a senior, how was your first day of school?
It was okay. We didn't do much, but yeah.
And then, have you missed more than 3 days of school yet?
No, I think I was here.
You're here already?
Yeah. Of this year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They started this year.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello. Tell me your name, occupation, and grade.
My name's Michaela Jackson. I'm a student, and I'm in 11th grade.
My name is Mariah Rollins. I'm a student, and I'm in 11th grade.
My name is Unique Early. I'm a student, and I'm a 11th grader, but I'm an early grader.
If you guys could rate from me on a 1 to 10, could y'all rate me on a 1 to 10 how your guys' first day of school was?
I give it like an 8.
A 4.
An 8.
Okay. What institute are you guys in, and are you guys liking the classes they gave y'all this year?
I'm in engineering designing. No. Oh yeah, I'm in leadership. And no, I don't like the classes they gave me this year.
I'm in leadership, and I don't like my classes.
I'm in leadership, and I like my classes. Y'all are just over dramatic.
And then, have you guys missed more than 3 days of school year yet?
No.
No, not yet.
No.
Okay, that was all. Thank you.
What's your name and occupation?
Miss Lynn, and I am a U.S. history teacher.
My name is Mr. Anderson. I'm a social studies teacher here.
I'm Miss Lomolino, and I'm an English teacher.
My name is Miss Casella, and I am a biology teacher here at Eastridge.
My name is Ms. Wiegren, and I'm a 10th grade biology teacher.
What made you want to work at Eastridge?
I wanted to work at a high school. So before this, I've been a middle school teacher and like a whole bunch of other things, but I really wanted to try teaching high school.
Okay. How are you enjoying Eastridge?
So far, I think it's been great. I came from a private school, so it's really different, but I love the atmosphere. It's great.
What made you come here and work at Eastridge?
So yeah, I came from a private school. Private schools are not for me, so I got out as fast as I could, and here I am, and I love it so far.
I wanted to move to Chattanooga, and I met Mr. Moreno at an interview day, and I was like, I want to work for him, and yeah.
Yeah, a lot of things. I think, even from my interview, I got such good vibes from here, from Principal Moreno, from all the staff here, and just, I don't know, it just felt like even the building too just has such character and it's vibrant. I just love it.
Eastridge, I love the diversity here. I come from a different school that didn't have as much diversity, and I really like our community we have building here and the staff. I love my coworkers, and I love the students so far.
How long have you been teaching?
This is my second year teaching.
This is my second year.
Probably about 6 years, 6, 7, something like that, yeah.
This is my second year teaching.
I've been teaching a little less than a year, so still relatively new, but yeah, I've been loving it.
Thank you, and that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you, and that's all.
That's all.
Thank you, and that's all the questions.
All right, of course. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, Miss Waldrop.
Waldrop?
She's super sweet, super nice.
Okay.
Obviously, Mr. Walter.
Probably Miss Natterville.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want her next?
Or Miss Mays.
Miss Mays?
Yeah, she's right there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Hardaway.
Mr. Hardaway? Okay. Thank you.
He would do anything for anybody.
Okay.
Hardaway, of course.
All right. Thank you.
I will go with Foster Slagle, my neighbor.
The nicest teacher in the school is me. I'm the nicest teacher in the school. Other than that, probably Miss Mays.
Okay. All right. Who is the nicest teacher in the whole school?
The nicest teacher in the whole school is Miss Platts.
My name is Angelo Bloodsaw, number 8 for East Hills High School. I play defensive end and fullback. Yes, I do. I would like to go to the Eagles. And Rogers.
Good morning, Eastern students. Welcome to AV's first news episode of the school year.
My name is Vanessa.
And my name is Kemberly. For lunch on Thursday the 29th, we'll be having chicken fajitas and breaded chicken tenders.
And for Friday the 30th, we'll be having barbecue pork sandwiches, chicken corn dogs, and wild Mike's cheese bites.
From August the 29th to September the 2nd, it will be scattered rain showers. And don't forget, on the 2nd, it's Labor Day, so Eastridge students will be out.
Be a proud Eastridge student and come and support the fall sports. Volleyball will hold games every Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
Football will hold games every Fridays, and girls soccer will hold games on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes Mondays.
That's all, folks. Thank you very much for watching our news.
Once again, I'm Kemberly.
And I'm Vanessa.
Bye-bye.